best 5 inspirational weight loss quotes you'll ever need. These quotes bring out the hard realities you encounter during your weight loss journey and guide you in the right direction. Remember, you cannot keep dreaming about losing weight. You must take a leap of faith, plan your weight loss schedule, and stick to it. 1. Only I can change my life. No one can do it for me. That is true, doesn't it? Your weight gain can be attributed to your trainer, nutritionist, or even the family and friends. But you have to be in charge of your life at the end of the day. Even the most qualified trainers and dietitians can't do anything about it unless you stick to your diet and exercise plan. If your friends and family lure you into unhealthy habits, learn to politely but firmly reject them. Explain to yourself why you care so much about losing weight. You'll be motivated by it. 2. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. It'll be hard to stay on track as soon as you start working out or eating healthy. It might look as if you're having trouble with 10 repetitions of jumping jacks, but you'll be ready for more complicated tasks as long as you keep doing this. In preparing for the next obstacles, you'll build up strength in your mind and body. The obstacles that you'll be facing today, if you work hard enough. 3. Be stronger than your excuse. Women can come up with countless excuses to escape workout and eating junk. I've been feeling tired, got my period, and just one more bite of ice cream is going to help me beat the blues. It's just a few excuses women use in order to get rid of their guilt and justify the many errors they make. Come on, in comparison with these excuses, you are far more powerful. You've done a great job. You manage everything. You look after other people. It's time to take care of yourself right away. Be strong. Take a step forward. 4. A goal without a plan is just a wish. I think that's the best motivational quote to lose weight. It rightly says that it is impossible for your body to adapt in its own right. If you don't get to your destination by that time, you must take a dive, swim, drown, and float again. 5. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. It's difficult to lose weight. It calls for commitment and work. Yes, it takes time. Start with baby steps that will eventually add up to a huge effort. Repeat your new, healthy behaviors day after day to achieve success. It correctly states that you cannot expect your body to change by itself. You have to take the plunge, swim, drown, and float again until you reach your destination. Going through a weight loss journey is not that easy, and it often tests the willpower and mental strength of an individual. Something that can help you push yourself harder during this phase is some motivational quotes for weight loss. These quotes bring out the hard realities you encounter during your weight loss journey and guide you in the right direction. Remember, you cannot keep dreaming about losing weight. You must take a leap of faith, plan your weight loss schedule, and stick to it. You will definitely be able to witness a sea change in your body and overall health within a few weeks or months. You can check the pin message below. It will help you for your weight loss journey. Thank you for watching.